Welcome to the beginning of a journey.
Centuries of neglect, etched into every surface. Each speck of dust tells a story.
The true condition lies beneath. The right tool for the job, always.
Beginning the delicate process of liberation.
Each section reveals more of its past.
A true testament to its endurance.
Precision begins with documentation.
The heart of the clock, now independent. Each piece has its proper place.
Hidden beneath the grind.
Bringing back the luster of the past.
Revealing forgotten artistry. The foundation restored to its pristine state.
A mirror to its former glory.
Uncovering the true elegance of time.
Every detail matters, no matter how small. Unwinding the core of its power.
One by one, revealing the damage. Every cog, a piece of the puzzle.
A testament to the ravages of time.
The first step to rejuvenation.
Allowing chemistry to work its magic.
Accelerating the cleansing.
Washing away the years of decay.
Patiently reclaiming its original form.
For the deepest cleanse, modern methods.
Invisible forces at work, purifying.
Each part gleaming anew.
Friction points, perfected for smooth motion.
Friction points, perfected for smooth motion.
Essential lubrication for enduring accuracy.
The dance of gears begins anew.
Every component perfectly aligned.
The structure solidifies.
A symphony of mechanics coming together. Infusing life back into its core. the heart ready to beat again.
The first breath of a new life.
A perfect symphony of motion.
The steady, confident tick-tock.
Yeah.
A functional work of art.
Time restored.
Functional, timeless.
The inner world, alive and flawless. Returning the heart to its body.
The face of time now clear. The pointers of destiny reinstalled. A solid foundation once more. Aligning with the present moment.
The voice of the past, reborn.
A masterpiece reclaimed by time and skill.
The warmth of aged wood, revived.
The clarity of purpose unveiled.
The inner world, alive and flawless. Precision in every turn. Time marches on gracefully.
A complete work, renewed for generations.
The promise of a future chime.
Timeless design once more.
Before and after, a journey of revival.
The relentless march of restored time. A labor of love brought to completion.
A job well done.
A new home, a renewed purpose.
Witnessing the passage of light and time.
The constant heartbeat of history.
A monument to enduring craftsmanship.
the hidden engine of precision.
A silent witness to generations.
The moment approaches. A sound that transcends time.